Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download BorgBackup for efficient VPS snapshots, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official BorgBackup website. Look for the download section on the home page. Select the version appropriate for your operating system. For Linux users, you may want to check your package manager for installation options. If you prefer manual downloads, locate the latest release in the repository. Click on the link to download the .tar.gz or .deb file, depending on your system. For Windows users, look for the Windows installer option. Download the .exe file to your local machine. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. For Linux, you may need to open a terminal window. Navigate to the directory where you downloaded the file. Use the command appropriate for your package to install BorgBackup. For .deb files, use sudo dpkgi filename.deb. For .tar.gz files, extract the contents with tarxzf filename.tar.gz. Follow the instructions in the README file included in the extracted folder. For Windows, double-click the downloaded .exe file to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, it's time to verify that BorgBackup is installed correctly. Open a terminal or command prompt window. Type Borg version and press Enter. If installed correctly, the version number of BorgBackup will display. Now you're ready to configure BorgBackup for your VPS snapshots. Start by creating a repository to store your backups. Use the command borginit encryption equals repo_path/ to /repository. Choose a secure password for your repository encryption. Once initialized, you can create your first backup. Use the command borg create followed by your repository path and the source directory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.